Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down the toggles that are located on the top right side of your screen. Just a single swipe down like this, and you will see your toggles right over here. Now power saving mode should be on one of the pages. So if you can't see on the first one, you can switch to the second one. As you can see, that's where it is for me. Once you see the toggle, simply press on it and it enables it without giving you any kind of information of what it changes, which is a little bit of a shame. So I'm gonna try to guess what it does, if that even matters. So by enabling power saving mode, probably the most important thing that might happen, which I'm just, like I said, just purely guessing, is the device disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when it's not being used, and when it's in sleep mode, which would be this kind of state. So if you're wondering why you're not getting any kind of notifications from apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and so on, that's probably the reason. Now when you wake up the device again, it should automatically connect and sync up everything that was missing. So there we go. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more, tapping on it, and as you can see, there it is. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.